For me, it's everything for me. You are a queen. Look at that black girl. Queen.
Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie, and y'all, we is back at it with another one. So make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe. But let's jump right into this. So y'all, we is making our first prom dress. Y'all, this is super freaking exciting. Like, I asked my God to bless me with one prom dress this year, and he literally did just that. So next year, just be prepared, okay? And oh my God, thank y'all so much for 5K. We finally made it on the road to 6K. Let's get it. But yes, y'all, so let's go ahead and install this zipper. If y'all new over here, we do a bunch of DIYs. We do vlogs every Friday. And yeah, I try to post 2 videos a week. But anyways, so y'all, this zipper is kind of super, I ain't gonna say super simple, but you're gonna go ahead and pin it. As you can see, I got it right sides together. We're gonna unzip it, and at the bottom of the zipper I went ahead and marked 2 inches, and so we're gonna go ahead, unzip it, and sew this side down, and then of course what you do to one side you're gonna do to the other, and I will explain when I get to the bottom of the zipper what I did. And also, before placing the zipper, you want to go ahead and hem up the top of the dress to give that more cleaner look. I forgot to do it, but I did it afterwards or whatever. But y'all, this is what it's looking like, and I am showing y'all basically what I'm doing. You pinning the other side down, right sides together like this, and then we just gonna go ahead and do literally the same thing that we did to the other side. I didn't show, but you want to go ahead and sew across the zipper, and then once you do that, you're going to zip the zipper up a little bit, fold it outwards, and go ahead, put right sides together and sew down the rest of the dress like so. And as y'all can see, I didn't get to into detail on like how I cut everything out, because y'all already know I use clothes. But for my dresses, I do use a pattern that I made myself. If y'all want like details on that, then let me know and I give it to y'all. So y'all, I cut the mesh, and as you can see, it was a little bigger, so of course it's just always good to have extra than not have enough. So I'm just pinning everything together, and right now we sewing down the sides of the dress. And then my client had ended up coming over so I can see exactly where I wanted to put it for the knee measurements or whatever. So you see me hemming it up, and now this is the most time consuming part, pinning the applique, y'all. When, I'm not even gonna lie, when I first started doing these, it stressed me out so bad because of course I overthought it, everything, and yeah. And this is my first time working with this much fabric. This is 6 yards worth of fabric. Oh my God. And right here, I had to fold this so many times because by this being like a stretchy satin material, me trying to get it everything like perfect, it was just like, bro, almost impossible. And I'm not even gonna lie, but I have to refold it again because it wasn't how I liked it. Then I have to get into something comfortable. So this part right here, I went on I think it's Circle Skirt. It's like you can Google it or whatever, but I went on there to get like the measurements that I needed for the circle. I love it so bad, y'all, because I really needed that. But basically, you're going to pin, I pinned it into my tape measuring into the carpet. And then at the top, as y'all can see, I had went ahead and pinned around in a circle at that same measurement all the way around. And as I'm doing now, and go ahead and take the tape measuring out, and then just cut literally where you pinned it, and then you will have your circle, y'all. I was like panicking like, oh my God, how am I going to get the bottom of a skirt? I never did it, woo woo, I never did a tail, yada yada yada. But I figured it out with no freaking pattern. Like, don't play with me. But I'll give y'all more details on that if y'all need them. Just make sure y'all comment down below. Follow me on all social media platforms while y'all at it. And if you're still here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Join the family. Now we on the road to 6K. I couldn't wait to say that. Oh my God. But right here, we just putting them together. And you're going to go ahead and pin it. And then we went ahead and sewed that down. And that's what we doing right now, y'all. Okay, so y'all, we all done with that. And now I want to go ahead. I was trying to show y'all the horsehair, but I didn't know that thing was right there in front of my camera. So I am just going ahead and adding that to the edge of the skirt. I mean, yeah, the circle skirt. But as y'all can see, this part right here, you can do this before you start adding it, just to make the edges a little more smoother, because you don't want that rubbing up against the dress or, you know, anything of that skirt, her skin or whatever, even though it's going to be on the ground. But it gives it a nice cleaner look around the edges or whatever. So after you do that, you're going to fold it over, and as y'all can see on that little part, I just sewed that down, and then I went ahead and sewed that part down. I hope I didn't go too fast right there, and I hope y'all understand. And right here, I just went ahead and added the circle to the bottom of the skirt and sewed that together. Period. But now I am going ahead and literally, y'all, we got a hand sew this whole applique, okay? Like all the way around. And this takes fucking hours. Like literally. I was up all month night doing this. Like this can take hours, y'all. I'm not even kidding. Hours. But yeah. And y'all, after this, that about do it. I was trying to show y'all my nails, but this is the final and finishing look. Let me know what y'all think. Make sure y'all subscribe, follow for more videos, and I love you guys so much, and I'm out. Peace.